Restore 5 Plus is a new mycotoxin binder available exclusively to Wynnstay. It's the first of its kind in the UK market as it offers mycotoxin binding and immune support through 5 scientifically proven modes of action. Mycotoxins are produced by fungi and moulds on the crop when it's in the field, particularly flowering crops like wheat or maize. This year we saw particularly challenging conditions in the spring, which stressed the crop and opened up the opportunity for more mycotoxins. Once those mycotoxins are present on the plant, they will remain in the silage or straw, and moulds may not be visible for toxins to be present. Usually when we can't resolve a performance issue with anything else on farm, it can come down to mycotoxins, and there are lots of variable performance issues associated with mycotoxins. It's widely known that mycotoxins can cause oxidative stress to the liver and other organs, which in turn can result in a number of physical complications. By the time physical symptoms are seen in the cow, there's often quite a bit of internal damage already done. Clinical symptoms could include reduced feed intake, reduced milk yield, inconsistently loose dung between cows, swollen hocks and lameness issues, as well as sometimes fertility issues including cystic ovaries. Restore 5 Plus's proven modes of action. Number 1, prevents oxidative stress. Number 2, supports liver and kidney function. Number 3, restores natural immunity. Number 4, triggers the biotransformation process of key mycotoxins. And number 5, adsorbs and binds any remaining mycotoxins. Restore 5 Plus is available now for ordering through your local Wynnstay representative. It's available in 20 kilogram farm packs delivered on a pallet to farm, or it can be incorporated into your blend or into your mineral premix.